has to pay for your crimes you commit. People are scared to report you. I'm not scared of you. I'm not. Who can say who attacking? Who say who can say Evelyn say wa bodam. So who say wa bodam. Wa bodam on board them. Onu na ayama who kika sa asem ne de chen. Because onu and now said you or yeah asem e tell me bu fu ye. Enya mo fault. Ya vi enya wo fault o. E ye Serwaa presentation na. Enu ti na won say ya vi wo so bo mi di. Tie. The presentation no entina me but you are doing it's too much. Shut up. Ya vi message shut up. Kawanu tum. So pese ubi wanu akano kre. Giant trono. Enough of the lies. Enough of the propaganda. It doesn't. That kind of politics, we don't want it. We don't want Oliver Yadie who say ex-president Dramani Mahama. Stop that. Ex-president Dramani Mahama. Onu receive the one year. Abwa Ghana. We are viewable. We are viewable. An MP, a former member of parliament, a former minister of state, former a vice president, former president of Ghana. Yavi. Where is your CV? How dare you? Ghana politics na cheap. Yavi, mi busau. Where is your CV? Ex-president Dramani Mahama, or your former president, or your former member of parliament, or your former minister of state, or your former vice president, or your former president of Ghana, ex-president. Who are you? How dare you, Musoria? You don't respect. You guys say politics. What kind of politics is this? What kind of politics is this, Yalvi? Huh? What kind of politics is this? Now, what banner me cancel? Me ni watem. Yalvi me ndi watemo. O baya. O first idea what you say. Bipolar penny. O second idea is to say, I've given you a job. Ah, Yaovi. Now one kasa, do you have a job? Yaovi company be na wabie na me fi UK na me meye. Yaovi, do you have a job? Do you have a job? Who are Juma? Tell me who are Juma? Are you serious? Are you for real? Who catch us a wasa wa bodam? Wabodam. Are you not where you Yalvio CCTV no Yalvi ye postu ye me say Serwaa na yama de ya saw enu tira me bu fu say one Yalvi, you were caught on CCTV camera at the hotel. Wo Yalvi, was it the president? You use national security. Who na wo master plan is Serwaa robbery no. President Nanado, any Serwaa ni any intimate relationship. It's you. It is you. You are the problem. Yalvi, you are the problem. The truth has to be told once and for all. Enough of this thing. Somebody has to come out with the truth. And it will take me to do that. Yalvi bro, bra. Now take the whole tea. Dolphina. That is saying, Adena motisa. Adena yaya ye kronisa. Now the diasporans, listen. Mua mutia broche no, listen to me carefully. So we are NDC sympathizer. So we are MPP sympathizer. So we are MPP ni. So we are NDC ni. Listen to me. Utia broche. There is nothing wrong there. Upasa Ghana ye. But we cannot continue like this. We cannot continue with this hatred they've made you to think. To most of you. You didn't even, you've not followed Ghana politics. And the ex-president Dramani Mahama. And what do you know? What do you know? Everything that they did was wrong. I spoke about it. They lied against me. You watch it. When they were lying against me because I was telling them, say, your friend is saying, High Life Radio, or Babesia. I was the only woman, high life radio politics. Now womu kana me say, adenti na mama yenka de abai no oye. Eni ni onye na mu yesa. Yenye beautiful line ni to mu say prim. Na womafa. Na womafa phone no. Na womu didi mi atem. Hot digital radio. Hot digital radio London. Omo morning show. They started attacking me. They started attacking me for war. Because I was preventing people. Said, don't attack people's personality. And then when you know more. Uti abroche. Abroche is how politics. Ghana for politics, I'm more abroche na intro. Especially the MPP for no MPP, UK and Ireland for no dangerous. Me na me catch up because I know them. They can Oliver Dewe. Oliver, yedi Oliver Echo prison. Oliver Echo remand. They will not mind some of them. Omobe fa Oliver. Omobe tra Cambridge. Ed information is in Nabema Cambridge. Ama Cambridge. Oliver di. This is what the MPP, UK and Ireland. This is some of the things they can do. I'm telling you people today. You don't know and try when we chat to me so. I had friends. People that I call brothers. People that I know them because of me again. They were lying against me. All in the name say, don't do that. Don't label the then government, NDC government, you know. They didn't even care. Said na me gear towards MPP. They didn't care. They didn't, none of them cared. They didn't care. Do you think say it was fair? Otia Brutre, the same thing is being repeated today. Say it's okay. How is it okay? How is it okay? How is it okay? We don't vote. None of us living in the diaspora vote. You don't vote. You don't vote. Have you thought about it? What you don't vote. So when you speak, they don't care. Because you don't vote. Politicians care about voting and where their interests are. Who will vote? Who will vote? Who will do it? Their friends, no. Who will vote? Let's think about it. Think.